So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite exercises or movements to be able to clean up some hip pain. So first I need you to know how to move your hips. Now what you're going to do is focus on tucking your hips underneath and then sticking your hips back. So hips come underneath here and then hips go back into a posterior rotation here. Once you know how to do this, we can start to get you into this position here where one foot is forward and you have one foot behind you. Now 90% of my weight is in my front foot here, and what I want to do is have my hands on my hips, little bend in that front foot there, and if my belly button were a flashlight, I'm going to flash it to the right side of the room and then I'm going to flash it to the left side of the room. Now as I do this back and forth, I open up my back leg to help me be able to move a bit easier. If you try to do it here, you're just not going to get the same movement. So I pivot on that back foot. Now one of the keys here is as I get into this inside movement, I tuck my hips underneath me, bringing that pubic bone up, my tailbone down, and then as I come back, now the tailbone comes back up into the air and the pubic bone goes back down. So I'm in and out of this position, and when you roll those hips underneath you, you'll feel good tension on the inside of the adductor, and then as you stick the butt back and rotate to your right, you'll feel good tension into your right glute and hamstring. Doing an exercise like this for 30 to 45 seconds a day helps bring in the lubrication to the joint. It brings in good blood flow, vitamins, water, and it gets inflammation and toxins out of the joint. This is an excellent way to help with any type of muscle tension that you're having or just overall restrictions into the hip itself. Again, 2 to 3 times a day for 30 to 45 seconds each, and this should be an exercise that'll help you with your hip pain. If you're still experiencing issues after this, I encourage you to get checked out by a licensed clinician, and if you're here in Orlando, give us a call. We'd be happy to take a look at you and see what we can do for you. Till then, I'll see you later.